Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested right now in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, H8, KR1, DMG Blockchain, and DigiHost. Okay guys, today I messed up with the video. So have you ever heard a video with two different voices? I mean, that's cool. If I wanted to create it this way, I would not be able to do it because there was no other voice. But I think there was some browser open with a YouTube video, which I forgot to quit in the afternoon. And then there was, a lot of videos there. And I don't know how this thing recorded this. Shit happens. But now I'm back. I do another video. And yeah, hopefully this works now. So, the good thing is Bitcoin is a lot higher than it was 1 hour ago. We are in green now with 1.3% here, 56,400. The miners are all in red today, especially the US miners here, -10, -11, Riot and Mara. KR1 is doing good in the US. It's above $3 again. So that looks very nice. Happy about this one, because there were also good news about KR1. DigiHost is very stable here. That is very good. They closed the offering today. So I think they have huge upside potential if Bitcoin makes a move. Then we have the exchange stocks here, Banksa with 16%. Nothing can stop Banksa right now. And we have Voyager Digital with 13%. So yeah, it's no surprise. These crypto trading stocks, they profit no matter Bitcoin goes up or down. They need volatility, and when there's volatility, there's usually a lot of trading, and then they make a lot of money. But also our miners make a lot of money, no matter whether Bitcoin dips in the short term or not, because when we are still in the bull market, they don't have to sell because they have the HODL strategy. So short-term dips, they don't affect these miners, but always the stock price drops. So we can see they're all in red today. We have to be patient. We have to wait here a little bit. It's not going to be easy. It's very difficult, and we have to be very patient here. Okay, so there's some news from Marathon. They reported the fourth quarter results. And yeah, they were talking about their 10 exahash miner purchase here. They want to have it online in Q1 2022. So this is going to be very interesting. Then they said here they're installing these miners at the Hardin facility in Montana there, 2.8 cents per kilowatt hours. Right now they have like 5,700 miners there. They will soon additional 6,641. So they're soon above, big above 1 exahash. So that's very nice. They're growing very fast. Also, they formed this digital currency miners of North America. This organization here, US-based nonprofit aimed at improving the mining environment for North American miners. I think they do it with DMG Blockchain together. Yeah, they have a lot of cash on the balance sheet, or had, because they raised a lot of cash. We already know this. They generated and held over 254 bitcoins, which is now 14 million. And they bought bitcoins for 150 million in January. The cool thing is they are now 271 million. So they have within 2 months a gain of 121 million with these Bitcoin purchases. I don't think there's another asset where you can do this too. Yeah, then they changed the name to Marathon Digital Holdings, and they strengthened the management and so on. Yeah, here they're talking about the 105 megawatt facility in Hardin. I mean, it would be nice to see some pictures of this facility. I think it's still in construction because you cannot set up a 105 megawatt facility within 2 months or so. But I think it's already running, some part of it, but it would be nice to get a video or some pictures or so of this facility there. I would feel a lot better when I can see what they're doing there. And they will need another facility, like a 300 megawatt facility for the additional miners. It's going to be interesting where they want to build it, what's the state of these facilities. But overall, I mean, this quarter, This Q4 quarter here, we can see it. It's 2.6 million in revenue. This is not big for Mara. It's a big increase from 1 year ago. Then it was 0.3 million. Can you believe this? Yeah, and I think the loss is like 9.8 million here. Operating loss was 9.8 million. So that was not a good quarter for Mara, but they had not big Bitcoins on the balance sheet. They had a very small hash rate, but now everything is increasing huge. They have a lot of Bitcoins right now on the balance sheet, and they have a huge hash rate increase in the upcoming month. And so I think from now on, from Q1, the results will only improve for Mara. And yeah, they will have big results in the upcoming quarters. Like our other miners, I mean, a lot of miners are now, all the companies are now reporting in March. We will see Hut 8 results in 9 days. I'm going to be very exciting for this because Q4 was very good for Hut 8, for example. Also, Bitfarms is going to be very interesting. So yeah, I really like this one. Then we have some news from KR1. You know, they have 3.5 million Polkadot on the balance sheet. They bought very early in the first seed funding round in 2016. So they were very early, and they are staking all these Polkadot, and they received since December 77,500 Polkadot in staking revenue. Yeah, with an average price of $23.8 US, and they sold them, and they realized $1.85 million US. So they are so profitable, these KR1 guys. I think they will invest this money into new projects, so they hold the initial Polkadots, they hold it and stake it, and they use the staking rewards to get into cash and to get into new projects. So the good thing is they don't have any big costs or so while staking. They don't have these electricity bills like these miners. So I mean, this is pure profit here, what they are doing here. And yeah, they don't talk much, these guys from KR1 there, but they're so efficient. This is such a good company. And yeah, they're in this game since 2016. I mean, I realized Bitcoin in 2017, and they were in Polkadot since 2016 or 17. I mean, this is crazy for me, but I really trust in this company, in their holdings and in their management. Yeah, then we have some news from DigiHost here. They had this 25 million Canadian dollar private placement here with AC Wainwright. And it looks like this is completed here, completed transactions. So yeah, that sounds very good. There are no news right now about the completion, but here it looks like it's completed. Yeah, then we have the mining difficulty in 2 days. There's the adjustment. Yeah, it should be 2.5% or something like this. So a little rise, but nothing special. No big rise here, which is very good for our miners. Then we have the data right now. The Bitcoin mining profitability is still very high with 38 cents per day per terahash. And the Ethereum mining profitability is at 11 cents per day per megahash. So these are very good numbers here. Our miners are making a lot of money. Yeah, and we can see here, for example, for Bitfarms with 1.18 exahash right now, like 70 megawatts in electricity consumption. And let's say 5 cents here, 4 cents for electricity and 1 cent for maintenance or so. You can see they have a mining revenue right now a day of $384,000 US. The gross profit should be at 300,000 right now. They mine like 6.9 Bitcoins a day. And the gross mining margin should be at 78% right now. So yeah, no matter what Bitcoin is doing, let's say it drops to 20,000 tomorrow, they would have still a mining profitability or a gross profit margin of 50% because they're mining at, let's say, 10,000 US dollars per Bitcoin, maybe less. And yeah, everything above is gross profit. So you can see how profitable these miners are right now with these mining conditions. Difficulty stays low. Price is very high right now. We're at 56,000 US dollars. And yeah, that's why they're so profitable. And that's why I like to be invested in these miners. And yeah, when we go to the Bitcoin price here right now, so we have this little breakout here to the upside. But as I said yesterday, Yeah, and right now some traders on YouTube talking about this. I mean, we have the volume here is very low since January. This is, or it's not increasing anymore. It's dropping. We have this triangle here on the daily RSI. Yeah, it looks like something big could happen. I don't really know. But please be prepared for every direction. I mean, if we make a huge jump to 70 or 80,000 would be nice, but there could be also a big drop here incoming. So please be prepared for both. I will not sell. I don't want that you hear panic selling. If we make a drop here, that you're panic selling down here. So please make your decision what you're gonna do if we drop or if we pump. I can tell you what I'm doing. I just hold right now. I will not sell at the bottom when we move up very hard. Maybe I will sell a little bit, but when we go down, I will not sell any stocks right now. Yeah, and yesterday we had this huge long liquidation. Today again, like 400 million longs were liquidated again. And yeah, then here was a good tweet from this guy here, Prozinko, and that this was about the so-called India ban. Lol, anonymous source, India is going to ban Bitcoin again. This reminds me of 2018, because since then they always say they will ban Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin dips. India, no, we were not. Bitcoin eventually reaches new all-time high. So this always happens. This is all FUD. This is always with this price manipulation. Always there comes some news like this. People, the lemmings freak out. They panic sell. The price drops. These big whales, they are there. This is whale food then. And yeah, then a lot of people are liquidated. The bitcoins are liquidated. And yeah, then the price moves up again. So right now it looks not so bad here. So yeah, guys, so this is a little bit a shorter video today, because I had to double produce it because of my stupidity there with these things. Yeah, yesterday I messed up a little bit with Discord. So yeah, right now it's not everything working perfect, but who cares about it? Would be nice to have our stocks soon back on track here. Right now this is a little bit boring, a little bit annoying right now, but yeah, this is the time when the whales are very active. The whales are always there, and they wait for your impatience, for your mistakes, and for your emotions. And yeah, that's why we should keep strong and make rational decisions. Please make your own decisions here. What are you gonna do if we pump or if we drop here? Maybe we're going sideways. You never know. No one knows. Also the traders don't know. But it's possible that we soon see some big moves here. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.